Welcome to Wolfnest, your premier property management company in Salt Lake City, Utah. Emergencies can strike unexpectedly, causing stress and uncertainty for tenants like you. From burst pipes to power outages, knowing how to respond is crucial. Let's explore how to stay prepared and safe in emergency maintenance situations. Identifying emergency maintenance situations. Number 1. Water leaks and burst pipes. In Utah, emergencies like water leaks and burst pipes can happen suddenly. Recognize signs such as damp spots or the sound of running water. Immediately shut off the main water supply to prevent further damage. Contact your property management company, Wolfnest, promptly for emergency repairs. Number 2. Electrical emergencies. Electrical emergencies demand swift action. If you notice sparks or experience a power outage, cut electricity at the breaker and avoid using electrical devices. Inform Wolfnest immediately for guidance. Number 3. Gas leaks. Gas leaks pose serious risks. If you smell gas, evacuate and call the gas company. Avoid flames or electronics. Notify Wolfnest promptly to coordinate next steps. Identifying emergency maintenance situations. Number 1. Stay calm and assess the situation. Stay calm and assess the situation first. Number 2. Take immediate action to mitigate damage. Prioritize safety and take immediate steps to mitigate damage. Follow Wolfnest's emergency protocols for effective resolution. Number 3. Communicate clearly with Wolfnest. Clear communication is key. Report emergencies promptly to Wolfnest with detailed information. Follow their instructions for a swift resolution. Regular property inspections by Wolfnest can catch issues early. Maintain appliances as per guidelines and report malfunctions promptly. Follow tenant responsibilities to keep your property well maintained and prevent emergencies. At Wolfnest Property Management, we prioritize your safety with 24/7 emergency response and expert support, ensuring you navigate crises confidently in Salt Lake City.